got an upgrade. We got the 100-watt solar panel. First time I plugged it in, so we're just having a play at the minute. There's all your details, blah de blah de blah. Right, so this panel comes with MC4 connectors, which are these. So I've had to buy, all that come with the panel is this part. I've had to buy that part to connect it to my rip-off all powers. The only thing is though, if you're going to do the same, if you take note on there, there's a little, if I can get it to, there's a plus at the top, and the cable I've plugged in is a minus. So these and these are going to be back to front. So you need to switch them over so the black goes into the red and the red goes into the black, otherwise it's just cross-wired and it will not power. So we're plugged in. Straight off, we're pulling about 40 watts. That's pretty much in full sun. It might get a little bit more if you get the angle right, but when I plug into the mains on a plug socket, it'll only draw 52 watts in, so 52 watts is as good as plugged into a mains. Like, I'll deal with that trickle charging my battery all day when I'm out. That's fine. £70. Pros and cons. Does actually get your clothes clean, but uses a hell of a lot of water, and the spin dryer is practically useless. So I'd stick to the good old mangle. This is the backup washer and dryer. This is my camera. It's solar powered and battery, Wi-Fi enabled, remote access, HD, night vision, two-way radio, so you can talk to people and they can talk back to you. Pros and cons: it is low energy consumption and it works off humanoid detection, so leaves and stuff aren't going to set it off, but if a person comes through it will. When it's not, it's on standby and it's using practically no battery, so it trickle charges itself, and you should probably never have to charge it, in all fairness. I like it. The Wi-Fi signal on it, it's pretty long, probably got to be at least 100 metres. But cons: when you buy it, it does not come with any batteries, so I'm going to have to order them off the internet. There isn't actually a card slot so you can turn this into a hotspot. It's no biggie, but it helps. And the bracket that came with it doesn't actually fix to this camera, so God knows what that's about. But for 40 odd quid, 42 quid, it's worth it. Well, I've also got the TV, I got the projector, I got all the channels. Thanks to my aerial up there, I don't know if you can see it. We got the TV, but I don't use it. We got the birdie is hungry again, because you're always hungry, aren't you, Robin? Huh? You're always hungry. Yeah. And this is the 12 volt shower. Just plugs in like a car charger. Goes to a pump that you drop in a bucket. Hang up your clip. You got your power switch on the charger, battery, whatever thing. This outlet is always on, so don't be sticking your fingers on it because you can't turn it off. So this is my shower head. It's already getting wet. Literally flick your switch. And there's the shower. Your little control switch on the side to turn flow up and down. Pretty good thing to have out here. I think that was about maybe 15 quid. It does say on the thing not to use it to have a shower. It's supposed to be a car shower, but that's bullshit. That's just to save their own back, don't worry about it. Just be careful not to get the battery close to the water. So this is my little solar power generator. It's 100,000 milliamp. So it's pretty good. If you're going to be charging just your phone once a day even, it'll probably last you a week before you run it out. Good thing about this is it is solar powered. Comes with the Anderson connectors there. DC input, so if you want to charge it off main power. It's got DC output. 12 volt like car. Lights are quite bright in the night. AC output, 2 outputs for that, but just turning that on will consume power, about 5 watts I think, or something like that. So make sure you turn it off when you're done with it, because it will drain your battery. And what most folks won't tell you on the internet when they do the reviews, do not let this get below 20%, because it'll knacker it. I have personally got it down to 10%, but I don't want to push it no further than that. You got DC outputs, 2 of them, 3 USBs, USB Type C's, output and input, but I've tried it on input and I can't get it to charge. You've got a wireless phone charger on the top. I think this was £190, but it is worth it so much that I think I'm going to get another one. There is a bigger version as well, so this one's obviously got, because it's solar power, it's got a built-in battery charger, so you ain't got to worry about the solar panel going up and down. It's not going to knacker the battery. You can also charge this at the same time as using any of the outlets, and it's not going to knacker the battery because it just diverts some of the power coming in straight to the devices. And obviously it's got a built-in inverter, so you can turn it to AC output. But yeah, cracking little thing to be fair. Yeah, so peace out.